Christmas ornaments are special crafts to keep and to give. This easy felt wreath ornament is simply adorable. Even young children can have fun making this ornament. Keep watching this video to learn how to make it. What you need are felted wool fabric. I'm using 2 colors. However, you can also just use plain felt, but you would have to cut more pieces. Cutting tools, ruler, pipe cleaner, a 1/4 or 3/8 inch 18-inch ribbon. From the felt wool fabric, you're going to need 100 1-inch squares. Now I'm using, as I said, felted wool. If you use regular felt, you may need more than 100 pieces. So you're just going to cut them, and you can use, as you see here, I'm using a rotary cutter and ruler. And then I'm going to continue to cut them into 1-inch squares. They don't have to be exact, but they should be close. And as I said, I'm going to need 100 of them. I'm going to continue to cut my 2. I'm using 2 colors. I'm using this red and green for my wreath. After you have all the squares cut, you need to cut a small slit in the center of each square. To do that, just fold it diagonally, and with a scissor, put a small slit in the center. Like that. Okay, I have them all snipped. I have 50 red and 50 green. Begin threading them onto the pipe cleaner. I'm doing the red and then the green, alternating colors. However, you can do it however you want. You can have as many colors as you want, or as few colors as you want. You can have it all one color. This is also a wonderful project for kids, because if you prep it all ahead of time and give them the pipe cleaner, they can then do this project themselves. So continue doing this until you have all of your color threaded onto the pipe cleaner. When you have all the squares on the pipe cleaner, center them. Take the pipe cleaner and twist it into a circle, and then just twist the ends of the pipe cleaner around. Then take the 2 ends of the pipe cleaner at the top and twist those. And that you'll be using as your hanger for your wreath. The final step is to tie a bow right at the top here. So I'm taking my ribbon and tying a bow. Now, if you think the pieces are too long, you can always cut them a little. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this felt wreath ornament. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the link in the video or in the description section. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free holiday projects.